Hey you guys, GamerVids here and welcome to another video where today I'm playing some Flappy Bird. Yeah, Flappy Bird. Pretty much the worst game I've ever played. I mean, it's seriously annoying and also, yeah. My high score and it's 14 and yeah, I am playing on my PC because I can't get on my phone or anything for some reason. And, oh, damn it. Right, so if you don't know what Flappy Bird is, you probably will. It's a game where you're this stupid bird and it's like a really annoying game and you have to fly through these freaking holes. God damn it. It's harder than it looks. Ow. Oh, yep. Yeah. Yes. No! Damn you, Flappy Bird. Wow. Come on, Flappy. You can do it, Flappy. Ah! Rage quit! My God, rage quit! Jesus!